Hello guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I am back, but this is future Catherine reporting to you here because I actually recorded a full day in the studio yesterday. So before we get into the studio vlog, I just wanted to say a huge sorry for the radio silence for the last like 3 days or 4 days over on YouTube. Those of you who follow me over on Instagram will have known that I actually got a little bit ill. So I ended up getting like a pretty bad cold. For those of you who've been watching Vlogmas, you will have seen that Dean got sick and he ended up being off work with this cold. I feel really bad because I now got it, and it was a pretty bad strain of cold. So I was kind of out for the count, and with Christmas just around the corner, you can probably kind of hear it, it's still like bunged up in there. But with Christmas just around the corner, I decided to take a few days off to make sure I was nice and healthy and fresh for Christmas to spend time with my family and friends and everything. So I took a few days off. I'm a little bit gutted because I really wanted to do Vlogmas every single day, but yeah, a little bit gutted that we've had a break in these Vlogmases because it was a challenge to try and vlog every day. But I got sick, and honestly you would not have wanted to see me in that state. I sounded so gross. I still sound gross, I'm sorry about that. And yeah, it just wasn't great. So yeah, I also wanted to say a huge thank you to our sponsors today, Skillshare. As you know, I work with Skillshare quite often because I absolutely love their platform. And for those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's basically an online learning platform with thousands and thousands of online classes for you to choose from. It's got classes ranging from art, illustration, design, Procreate, building an Etsy shop, crochet, jewellery, you name it. It's got a class for something. Ceramics, all sorts. I really want to get into ceramics next year. I feel like I want to take ceramics classes again because, fun story, I took a ceramic class in this area and it wasn't really a class, it was just a workshop and I had no idea what I was doing. Anyway, it's got all sorts of different online classes and that you can choose from. And if you wanted to try it out, Skillshare are offering 2 months free using the link in my description. So thank you so much Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And yeah, let's just roll the studio vlog and get straight into it, and you will see this version of me in tomorrow's Vlogmas on my personal vlog channel. So if you're not already subscribed over there, I'll leave a little info card and let's just roll the studio vlog. Alright, love you, bye. Hello guys and welcome to another studio vlog. I am back for the remaining time during Vlogmas. So I am so sorry for the radio silence on YouTube the last couple of days. I took 3 days off because I don't know if you can hear, but I ended up getting a pretty bad cold. Mike and Emily are now done for Christmas. I said to Emily she could have today off if she wanted to because there's around 15 orders outstanding and I feel like I could get them done myself. So I'm going to be doing orders today. I'm going to be processing them. But first, I've had a few packages since I've been away and I would like to open them. Let's unbox them and see what it is inside. I'm so excited. I hope, fingers crossed, that it's the planners. Please, 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 please let it be the planners. So the first thing I got, I think this is actually a PR package from WAHOO. Is that how you say it? WAHOO? Oh, this is the skin tone ones. Look at that. And they asked if I wanted to receive it and I said yes please, because these are meant to be really good markers. And one of you guys actually commented on one of my older marker videos saying, have you tried the WAHOO markers yet? So when they reached out to me I was like, oh my gosh, this is like the perfect opportunity, because next year I wanted to do more art related videos on this channel reviewing these like new art supplies and stuff. So this is very exciting. This is like, oh my gosh, they're beautiful as well. So I'll be doing a full video of me trying these out. Next, I don't know what this is, but it says beautiful simplicity, so I thought we'd do a little unboxing of this together because I have no idea what it is. Oh my gosh, it's packaged so cute. What the hell's got these little confetti stars in? Oh my gosh, it's gift wrapped with a lovely
It says, hello Catherine, my name is Sarah and I run an online store called Beautiful Simplicity Design. I sell personalised gifts including glass Christmas baubles. Oh my gosh, these baubles can be made as a gift for someone special. Oh, so this is actually, oh, I remember now, she reached out to me asking if I would like this Christmas bauble that she made. Look at this ribbon. I'm gonna keep this ribbon. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. What the heck? Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much, Sarah. And this is where you can find her if you want a glass Christmas bauble. She's called Beautiful Simplicity. This is going on the Katnipp Christmas tree. Let's put it on together. Thank you so much, Sarah. That looks gorgeous on the Katnipp Christmas tree. Ooh, we need to turn this little candy cane around. There we go. Oh wow, it looks so pretty. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. Okay, next up we've just got an Amazon package. This is more stuff off WAHOO. I hope I'm saying this right. WAHOO. Wow, another big bag of pens. 60 colours in that one. And then this is some normal WAHOO colours. Oh my gosh, look at them. Ooh, look at this colour. That looks like it's going to be gorgeous. So I'll be doing another, I'll be doing a video on these, reviewing them and letting you know my first thoughts of them and stuff, which I'm super excited about. We actually have a huge parcel here. I have no idea what it is. Please be planners. I feel like that's what it's going to be. Please. Oh. The suspense. There's a piece of card on top of it. And another piece of card. What is this? And then what? And another piece of card. And another piece of card. But it is my planners. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the suspense that made me go through. Imagine if I like peeled it back one by one. It is my planners. Oh, they're a little bent. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It's glued on this way. I don't know if that's a mistake I've made or a mistake they made, but I asked for it to be like glued along the top here so you could peel it along the top, but it still looks cute if you peel it that way, am I right? Ta-da! The to-do lists are here. It is so cool. I can start using these in the new year. Look at this. You can just have it on your desk like this. And it's got the little coffee cups. The print is really good quality and really nice and vibrant. Ta-da! And the A4 size. Oh, so much better than what I thought they were going to turn out like. Oh, look at the detail. Yay, 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 yay. New planners, new planners. Oh, so exciting. So how amazing is that? Super excited. I'm excited to see the to-do list as well come in. I think next time I might do sheets of 50 rather than 25. I think I did 25 sheets, I think, but I didn't know how they were going to turn out, so next time I think I'll do 50 in a new design, and yeah, I'm really happy with them. I'm going to package them in A4 cellos and design like a sticker for the front of them, but then once all my cellos run out, because I've got a drawer of cellos down here, once all of these cellos run out, I'll be updating them to the biodegradable ones. Anyway, now I'm going to get back to work on orders, going to make myself coffee, and yeah, let's get into the working day, shall we? Hello guys, so I have spent the day posting orders and packaging them and stuff. It's been really slow today and I feel like I've really been taking my time. I'm still a bit groggy and a bit ill, so I kind of feel a little bit zoned out, if that makes sense. I kind of feel like everything's really slow. And it's kind of chill. I had the Animal Crossing like theme music on in the background, and yeah, I've just been kind of taking it really slow. But as a result, it is now 5:25 and I still have a Patreon video to edit. I was planning on filming going out and doing some studies and illustrations with them. It's for my $10 tier patrons. This is a video friends tier. Every month they get an exclusive time-lapse video and an exclusive video. However, because I've been sick, I haven't had the chance to dedicate the time to go out and record it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compile some footage that I actually recorded for a Vlogmas that was going to go up on my channels. So I'm going to get to work on editing that now, and then hopefully I'm going to go home and chill because I'm feeling a little groggy and I'm not sure whether it's the painkillers or whether it's just my cold. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I do know that the painkiller that I'm taking like this liquid thing, and it's got all sorts of stuff in, like paracetamol, and it's meant to be for like a chesty cough and everything. It makes me really drowsy when I take it. I haven't took that yet, but it makes me really drowsy. Let me know in the comments if it does the same for you. Oh, also I got a package behind there, but I'll open it in another studio vlog. I went and picked it up from the post office and I'm excited to see when it's off. So it's currently 7:10 in the evening and I have just finished doing my exclusive Patreon video. It was like the missing days of Vlogmas, so I'm just uploading that. Now I've got like a custom pin hoop to create, and that's me done for Christmas. And then my orders are shut. Well, they're not shut. You can still order in my store, but nothing will be shipped out until January the 4th. I might do bits here and there, but let's not tell anyone. It's not definite. Or January the 3rd, when I'm back, then the orders will be processed. So today I've changed my shipping details on Etsy to 2 to 3 weeks shipping processing time, and I've put an announcement on my Etsy, and also they'll get an automated message sent to them when they have placed an order, letting them know that the times are going to be a little different because I'm officially closed for Christmas. I've got a swat here. Does anyone else get like a swollen face when they're poorly as well? I mean, I have a round head anyway, a fat chubby head anyway, but like when I'm ill it gets even more round, especially around like the jowl area. Like anyway, I'm gonna make this final order up and then head on home and wait while that's uploading. It's got 20 minutes to upload anyway, so I might as well get it done. It saves me coming in tomorrow bright and early and I can sleep in and rest again. So yeah, just gonna get to work. Oh, that's the heat breath, speaking of the devil. Okay, so it's 8 PM and I'm finished. I actually got another pin banner sale and I thought I might as well just quickly do it while I was in the flow, and the heat press was on there and everything, so I got that done. Then I got a phone call off Dean saying, please will you get home because I've been waiting for you, so I have to go home. Also had a little dance and I'm in a great mood right now to Aurora. She is literally my favourite artist musically of all time. I absolutely love her. She's so like ethereal,
what's that word where it's like a referral? Oh, so now I'm going to head off home, and I think I'm going to end the studio vlog here, guys. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I'm so sad that I haven't done it continuously, but honestly I was so sick for like so many days that you would not have wanted me to record. I sounded gross, like every other word was snotty and gross. And yeah, hopefully next year I'll be able to do every single day without getting sick. Fingers crossed for next year's Vlogmas. But I hope you've still been enjoying these ones. Yeah, see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye.